Hello, friends. Welcome to Brainy Street. We all feel that this lockdown feels never ending, right? Eating, watching TV, and extra sleep makes us bored, and we keep complaining. But there are many frontline workers who are on their toes to give us the comfort of our home. Thousands of those workers are to be saluted, and today we are going to see a handful who made a difference for the society. Yes, though we have obliged for all those COVID warriors, we have highlighted five women in this video who have taken an extra mile for the call of the nation. Virologist Dr. Minal Dakave Bosle. India's first testing kit of COVID 19 was found by Dr. Bosle and her team in a record time of 6 weeks. While the test kit discovery itself a record, Dr. Bosle was in her last term of pregnancy during this. The test kit was sent for approval just before her day of delivery. She had said that it was like giving birth to two babies. The kit successfully passed many stringent tests and was able to deliver results in 2.5 hours. Dr. Bila Rajesh. Being an IAS, Bila Rajesh, Health Secretary of Tamil Nadu, is the person considered as the face of the fight against COVID in Tamil Nadu. She ensures that all the departments work hand in hand to fight the deadly virus. She undertakes field visits and makes sure that people follow the preventive measures advised and also self isolate themselves where required. She also tweets proactively about the measures taken in the state. She also is prompt in answering public queries. Miss Kamala Tal. In this world where people queue up for free supplies, here is an octogenarian who sells idlis at 1 rupee. She earns about 200 rupees every day by selling 400 to 500 idlis just to manage her living. Her service got viral when Mr. Anand Mahinda posted about it on his Twitter account. Offers started pouring after his video went viral. She is running this not as a business but as a service to the society for the last 20 years. Even during these testing times, her idli with lovely chutney and sambar has seen no price hike. She says that she feels rewarded when people appreciate her food. Tina Dabi, IAS Bilwara. The whole nation is talking about Rajasthan's Bilwara model for tackling COVID. The district announced curfew on March 21 even before the nationwide lockdown was announced. The team headed by IAS Tina Dabi quickly sprung into action after announcement of complete shutdown by the district collector Mr. Rajendra Bhatt. Even essentials were delivered and people could not come out. The IAS officer said handling people's emotion and taking them into confidence was very important. The team declared community leaders as COVID warriors, which made them responsible for their village. Effective contact tracing, screening, awareness created on social distancing has made the control possible. Now, the whole country is appreciating the Bilwara model of containment. Chitralekha, Police Constable Manipur. Work life balance has always been an out of reach thing for many of us. Here is Miss Chitralekha, who's on duty on a bypass road in Manipur with her 1-year-old child. She had said that during such testing times, serving the nation is her priority. She spreads awareness about the deadly virus and happy that people are cooperating. She's on her 12-hour duty and covers her baby with a cloth and keeps sanitizing herself and the baby to protect themselves while standing guard to the people of Manipur. While saluting Miss Chitralekha and many such women corps across our country, we are also happy that Punjab has accepted its women corps with kids under 5 years to be on frontline. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video.